Ever wondered how to turn kitchen scraps and worm bins into black gold for your garden? Let's unlock the secrets of harvesting and storing worm castings so you can grow like a pro. First, how do you know when your worm castings are ready? Take a look at your bin. When most of the bedding is dark, crumbly, and you barely see any food scraps, you're good to go. If your bin looks sandy brown and patchy, give it a bit more time. But when the surface is rich and chocolatey, get ready for harvest. Now there are 3 easy ways to get those precious castings without making a mess or losing all your worms. First up, the side migration method. Push all the finished material to one side of your bin. On the empty side, add fresh bedding and a tasty snack for the worms. Wait a few days and you'll watch the worms migrate to the new buffet, leaving most of your castings behind on the other side. Next, the light separation method. Dump the bin onto a tarp and form small mounds. Worms hate light, so shine a lamp or use sunlight. Scrape off the top layers of each mound every few minutes, and the worms will wriggle deeper to escape the light. Easy separation, no squished worms. And finally, the screening method. Just sift your castings through a 1/4 or 1/8 inch screen. The fine castings fall through, while worms, cocoons, and chunky bits stay behind. It's super satisfying and gets you the finest product for your garden beds. But before you bag everything up, check your castings' moisture. Give them a squeeze. If water streams out, they're too wet. Spread them out to dry a bit. If they crumble and feel dusty, mist lightly until they're just moist, kind of like a wrung-out sponge. Now for storage. Always use breathable bags. Think paper, cloth, or special compostable ones. Label with the date and keep them in a cool, shady spot. High heat or plastic bags can ruin quality fast. Quick tip: good castings should be dark, moist, and crumbly, not dry and dusty, and definitely not slimy or muddy. Keep a checklist of your do's and don'ts handy until you get the hang of it. Trust me, taking a little time to harvest and store your worm castings right will pay off big in your garden. Your plants will thank you, just like mine do. Grow big with worm power. And don't forget to subscribe and check out my next video for more garden gold.